Hello guys, welcome to how to fix stack. In this video guys, we are going to delete the memory cache from our Windows, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11. The step will be same for all. Okay, so let me go to the task manager first. Right click on the taskbar setting and then click on task manager, and I will show you there the cache where the RAM cache is stored. If you are getting this kind of like this is a screen, just click on that more options, click on performance tab. Now here you should be getting CPU option, but you need to click on this option memory, and once you click on memory you should see the cache. You can see 845 MB using in my laptop. Okay, so if you have like gigabytes like 4 GB or 2 GB of the cache inside your RAM, so it's time to delete it. Also you can delete the this type of like it is almost 1 GB, so it's need to delete it. So first of all, open the Google Chrome and you need to type here the RAM map. Once you click on like you search on the RAM map, you just need to click on this option which says Microsoft Learn and map RAM map, and once you open the website you should get this option download. Just click on that. It is almost 671 KB. Just click on download. Now it's downloaded. It's in a zip file, so click on the folder and let me open this. Let me cut it to the desktop, or you can directly extract it from here. Right click on the zip file, then click on extract here or the extract all. Okay, now you can see there are four files inside the RAM map. You can also choose this option open with extract. Let me go to open with. Extract files. You can choose the location from there as well, so I'm choosing here the download option, this. Okay, yes, replace. Okay, so these are the three files here, 1, 2 and 3. so you need to look for this. This is the highest 662 KB. You just need to right click on that file and run it as administrator and click on yes button when the prompt opens. Now click on agree option, and this is Microsoft product, so don't worry, this is safe. Now this is calculating the cache. Okay, and let me show you the task manager along with it. Okay, so go to empty, this option. Okay, and click on this option empty standby list. Click on that. Now you can see the cache has been deleted and it is now 65 MB. Okay, so it's recommended to keep this file, keep this software on your Windows so that you can reuse it in a future. Okay, so this is how you can delete the cache of your RAM. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix stack.